Craving a taste of Bali in Pangasinan? Look no further than Naro Cafe and Kitchen Bar. Naro Coffee and Kitchen Bar is a coffee shop located at Lingayen Beach Baywalk, Lingayen, Pangasinan. It is a Bali-inspired coffee shop with a cozy beach ambience. It has a 4.4-star rating on Google Maps. Naro Cafe is a top-notch coffee and snack spot in Lingayen. With a unique interior design that impressed visitors. The harmonious blend of plants and wood elements creates a pleasant and airy atmosphere, even without air conditioning. The indoor fans and strategic greenery make for a comfortable dining experience, while the central tree adds a striking focal point. It offers a wide variety of food and drinks, including coffee, pastries, pastas, sandwiches, salads, rice meals, seafood, Japanese cuisine, and alcoholic drink. Naro Cafe specializes in specialty coffee, with the sea salt latte being a particularly choice. That complements the Lingayen Beach ambience perfectly. The food is also excellent, with the grilled chicken and java rice being a standout dish. With its tender melt-in-your-mouth texture, the chicken salad sandwich is also a delicious option. The service at Naro Cafe was impeccable. The servers were incredibly hospitable and efficient, and they handled our orders flawlessly. Customers can also enjoy a unique and enjoyable dining experience with their digital tablet menus. It is open from 7 a.m. to 11 p.m., making it a convenient spot for early risers and night owls alike. It is also a pet-friendly and offers a free Wi-Fi. Naro Cafe has delicious coffee and even better food. relaxing, and inviting ambience makes it easy to spend hours here, enjoying the view.